Hi, welcome to Android Application Development. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple Android analog clock using Java Eclipse. So to start off, you need to launch the Java Eclipse file or Java icon. So uh, you may want to change the workspace title. So I'm going to change it into analog clock. So in Android, you can use Android that widget, that analog clock component to display uh, a two-handed analog clock. So this component cannot be used to change the time. For that, you may use the time picker component. So to start creating an Android analog clock, uh, select File, then New, then Android project, Android application project. So again, you have to specify the application name, the project name, and the package name in the appropriate text field. So I'm gonna put analog clock sample. Then click next. So in the next window, make sure that the create activity option is selected in order to create a new activity for your project. This is optional as you can create a new activity after creating the project, but you can do it all in one step. So just click next, next. So just uh, select the blank activity, next. So uh, you will be asked to specify some information about the new activity. In the layout name text field, you have to specify the name of the file that will contain the layout description of your app. In our case, the file is main. So then click finish. So uh, to start off, uh, you need to add some resources. So to do that, you need uh, to explore the or navigate the package explorer. Go to the rest folder, then values, then strings. So when you open the strings that XML file, Eclipse will display the graphical resources view editor. So to do the codings, you need to click the strings.xml. So uh, this is by the way, this is a nice and very easy tool that you can use to add several resources to your application like strings, integers, color values, etc. But we are going to use the traditional way, and that is editing the string.xml file by hand. So click the strings.xml, then uh, just do the codings, or you can, if you don't have any backgrounds in a programming language, you can just download uh, a sample codes in the internet. So I'm gonna change this one. So let's see. here's how you put resources in the strings.xml. String name equals app name analog. Settings, settings. Then next one is string name analog label. So that's it. Then click save. So the next thing to do is uh, do some codings in the main.xml. So we've just created some string resources that we can use in many ways and in many places in our application. So the next thing to do is open the res, then layout, then you need to delete this one. I have already downloaded some codes in the internet, so don't worry if you don't have any background in any PL or programming language. Here, you can copy this one. Then click save. Then the next is go to the Java file and put some codings. Here, copy, paste. Then click save. So as usual, there are some errors. Don't worry, just tap it. Then uh, the two quick fixes available will appear. Same with this one. Then create field, public, save. Create, public, then save. So then save. So that's it. So to preview your to check your output, just go to the main.xml, then uh, click this error, right click, then quick fix, then save, then check the graphical layout. So that's it. That's an example of analog clock, uh, an Android app analog clock. So once you have created a analog clock, a simple analog clock, you are done with this tutorial. Thank you.